for Z from Ed Systems. Just thought I'd show some of the equipment stock that I currently have. These are Minolta DI 650, or 620 sorry, and 520 high-speed black and white photocopiers. Good source of motors and other parts. Easily fixable though. I'll try and fix a couple of these up, maybe sell them off. Full colour Minolta. Full colour Xerox behind it. Very old fashioned, heavy, slow things. I manage about 8 pages a minute. Old junk, another old aircon. The 253 engine block, ready to go on the stand. Evaporator unit. A couple more old aircons. It's a Malaysian piece of crap. It's an Australian made 16,000 watt Alcare Lennox cooling unit, condensing unit. Scroll compressor on it's busted, so it's not much good to anyone now. Unfortunately I don't have a replacement, so this one will end up as spare parts. With a nice big coil on it. They've all been evacuated, so there's no gas. I can strip them all down at my own leisure. A universal table for welding, disassembly, dismounting tyres. A little gadget here. Bead breaker for car tyres. There's a stand for the 253, not finished. Replaced the old Mitsubishi condensing unit with the original Fujitsu that came off the ceiling cassette. Works much better now. 8 kilowatts cooling capacity. There's the old Mitsubishi to be evacuated and scrapped. Another Fujitsu that can be scrapped. Various compressors. Brand new Danfoss manual. Something wrong with this one. It came from the factory as defective stock. A Copeland compliance scroll. Just a little gearbox for the Howard motor, all cleaned and primed. Just put a couple of wheels on it so that I can move it around. Convection microwave, good for drying parts in convection mode or cooking your dinner in microwave mode. Very mandatory fluid around here, Jack Daniels. Really old drum reversing switch for a lathe. Pistons and crankshaft from a semi-hermetic refrigeration compressor. There's one piston missing, but that's inside somewhere. V4 cylinder configuration. An old PLC, touchscreen control, 200 channels. It's one of the old tube amps that I've got. It doesn't work, it's just spare parts. Some of the 253 parts. Inlet manifold and old carby. Probably end up replacing most of that. Suzuki Sierra, also known as the Sidekick in the US, transfer case. Very good condition. This is a Century electric propulsion start induction motor. Weighs roughly 70 kilos, rated at 2¼ horsepower. It's a fuel tank for the Howard motor, an oil reservoir. Both incorporated into one. That's the Howard motor ready to go back together. Just about out of film, but